In this video, could the Bitcoin price be hinting a triple peak for this market cycle? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So this video will be a different one kasi dito we are going to focus with the macro scale and the bigger time frames. So this video is going to be a dubious speculation kasi this is going to be a personal prediction and my personal thoughts regarding this peaks na nakita natin dito with the Bitcoin price, and let's understand how are we going to move forward with this. And if let's say you are right now looking for a brand new investment with the crypto market, hopefully this video can help you kasi right now we have a massive investment opportunity with the Bitcoin prices right now as we are seeing this data model now we are going to talk about in a bit. So if you find this video useful, please give this video a like, and now let's dive into what we have found. So right now what I have here is a Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and para sa mga baguhan dito sa ating channel, a logarithmic growth curve is actually a data model that is based from our historical Bitcoin data price. So as you can see, we derived this data model by getting the average price actions within each and every movement ni Bitcoin from the start, and then after getting those average movement, pinulat natin siya sa isang logarithmic growth curve, and then as you can see, upon creating that logarithmic growth curve, it is now able to predict the succeeding movements within the market cycle. So ayun no, after forming this data model, napapredict niya ngayon yung mga succeeding movements nito ni Bitcoin price actions. And with that being said, you are now able to understand kung alin ba dito yung market cycle bottom as well as the market cycle top. And with that being said, as you can see, the Bitcoin price is actually forming multiple market cycles within each specific period. So as you can see, we have here a cycle 1, this is the second cycle, and then third cycle, and then right now we are at the fourth cycle. And there's actually one thing na mapapansin mo is that every cycle is unique within their own way. So as you can see, ating first market cycle, kakaiba yung kanyang movement. What we saw was a rapid growth, decline, rapid growth, decline, and then saka tayo nakita natin yung final pump niya. For the second market cycle, we saw double peak. So ayun no, first peak, correction, and then the final peak, and then yun nagdictate ng ating market cycle top. However, ito sa ating latest market cycle na nakita natin noong 2018, hindi siya double peak, hindi rin siya triple peak. Ang nangyari dito sa ating market cycle is we only saw one peak kasi during that period, Bitcoin keeps on correcting every step along the way. So in that case, isang beses lang nag-market cycle top or isang beses lang nag-peak yung ating Bitcoin price within the previous market cycle. So as you can see right now, the Bitcoin price has their own unique characteristic per market cycle. And then as you can see right now, the Bitcoin price at our current market cycle is now forming this new and unique characteristic. Kasi look at this. After hitting our market cycle bottom noong 2019, we saw this massive run up. And then as you can see, itong middle line, itong halfway point ng ating logarithmic growth curve, na-reject dyan si Bitcoin, indicating that that was a local top. Ang local top meaning in yung isang peak na hindi naman market cycle top. And then after hitting that local top, we saw a very long consolidation which roughly take us around a year before hitting another massive run-up kay Bitcoin price. And then tingnan nyo to guys. So dun sa ating second run-up dito kay Bitcoin price, we saw another local top after hitting that halfway point nito ni Bitcoin price. And then look at that. After hitting that halfway point, we consolidated again once more dito sa ating movement dito kay Bitcoin price. And as you can see, right now, we are at that very long consolidation of Bitcoin. And as you can see, we are now starting to see a pattern dito na nagkakaroon tayo ng local top number 1, and then consolidate, local top number 2, and then consolidate. And then, ngayon ito yung magandang dubious speculation dito. Kasi recently guys, marami ako nakikita na marami nagko-compare dito sa Bitcoin price movement na this could more likely be an Elliott wave movement. And take note guys, I don't usually use Elliott wave, pero since I've been seeing a lot of analysis na nagsasabi na this could be an Elliott wave movement, let's try to dive deep dito sa Elliott wave na kung ano nangyari dito kay Bitcoin price. So as you can see, kay Elliott wave, meron tayo iba't ibang impulse wave. Merong wave 1. The first wave is going to be a run-up. Wave 2 is a correction. Wave 3 is going to be the second peak which is higher than the previous peak. And then wave 4 is going to be a correction. And then wave 5 is going to be the final peak before seeing that continuous correction dito sa ating movement. And as you can see right now, as you can see, looking at the Bitcoin price action, you can actually right now see na this movement na nagkaroon tayo ng wave 1, correction, and then the wave 3, another correction. I think personally that this movement is more likely going to have another peak, which is the third peak, which is indicating that we might actually be following this Elliott wave theory. So in this case, what we are currently seeing right now is the fourth correction. So let's try to plot the Elliott wave dito sa ating Bitcoin price action, and let's understand the similarities between the Elliott wave theory versus dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, if you're going to plot an Elliott wave from the start, sa ating start ng market cycle, which is the market cycle bottom, you can see na this was the wave 1, first wave. And then we saw a correction. That was the second wave. We saw the second round up, which is the third wave. And after that, we saw a correction, which is the fourth wave. And as you can see right now, we might possibly be seeing the last and final wave, which is going to indicate na we might see 3 peaks dito sa ating market cycle. So as you can see, peak number 1, peak number 2, and then here's the third peak ng ating market cycle. So in this case, we might actually be forming 3 peaks dito sa ating market cycle, and that is a possible thing kasi look at this. Right now, the Bitcoin price is actually going back to the lower regression band ng logarithmic growth curve, indicating na this is going to be one of the lowest points ng ating market cycle once again. So in this case, this could actually be a good investment opportunity, and if let's say you want to invest for the long term, this could be one of the best time to enter within the crypto market. And as you can see, regardless kung saan ka man mag-enter, kahit sabi mo pang 27,000, kahit 30,000, 35, 39, 40,000, it will not matter. Kasi in the long run, as you can see, kahit bumili ka around the 43,000 US dollars, as you can see, in the long run, if we are going to follow this logarithmic growth curve model, either way, you are going to be in profits pa din. It's just that meron kang iba't ibang entry levels dito kay Bitcoin price. But the main idea dito is, regardless kung saan ka pumasok, you are going to be in profits if you are going to invest within this period na bagsak yung ating crypto market. So in this case, this is an investment opportunity for the long term, and that's why I've been accumulating more Bitcoin. And let's see in the coming months if this theory is going to play out, itong Elliott wave theory, and hopefully we get to see that one last and final peak nitong market cycle natin sa Bitcoin price action. So take note guys, this is my dubious speculation, and nasa inyo na lang kung gusto nyo sundin yan. But hopefully, this gives you an idea on what can we expect, especially sa ating 3 peaks dito sa ating market cycle. And nakikita natin na right now, this could actually be forming the Elliott wave theory for the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging market cycle top natin dito kay Bitcoin? So following this theory na sinasabi natin, you can actually see na the Bitcoin price would more likely play between the 160,000 US dollars up until the 270,000 US dollars. So right now, our potential market cycle top is now ranging between 160,000 US dollars up until the 170,000 US dollars. So tingnan nyo guys, regardless kung saan kayo mag-enter dito with the Bitcoin price, kahit mag-enter ka around the 28,000, you're still in profits, or kahit man na mag-enter ka around the 45,000 US dollars, you can see na you are still in profits regardless kung saan ka nag-enter. So either way, this is going to be one of the best investing opportunity for the Bitcoin price kahit bumili ka sa mababang level or mataas na level. It's still a good entry opportunity for the long term with the Bitcoin price action. Pero let's say guys, you want to invest your crypto, one of the best place to invest your crypto is actually in crypto.com kasi dito, you can actually stake your coins. And if you're going to stake your coins, you can earn up to 14.5 interest per annum if you're going to stake your coins and 14% on stable coins. And if you want to claim up to $50 bonus upon signing up dito kay Crypto.com, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below, or use my sign up code, which is Gabs Crypto. And then if you're going to stake their native token, which is CRO or Crypto.com token, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card na meron ako actually ngayon. No? This is actually the metal Visa card na you can actually spend with your crypto. So if let's say you want to buy any flights across the world, pwede ka bumili ng flight using your crypto, using Crypto.com's Visa card. And if you want to claim this, all you have to do is just to stake CRO, and then after that, mag-sign up lang kayo for this Visa card in Crypto.com app. So hopefully this video gives you an idea on what can we expect, especially na right now we are seeing this potential triple peak within this market cycle. And in my case, I'm going to be investing and accumulating more Bitcoin during this period. I'll be buying more Bitcoin, I'll be buying more Ethereum. And let's see in the coming months if we are going to play this theory na nakita natin right now with the Bitcoin price action. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.